Hey guys, it's Wade with the Streaming Center. Today I want to talk to you about the UX90 Panasonic camera. It's a great camera for if you're trying to find the right camera for your church, for your online broadcast, even if you're doing something where you wanted something mobile and portable. This is a great camera at a great price point. This camera can shoot multiple frame rates, so it can do things where it can shoot in 60 frames per second. You can shoot in cinematic 24 frames per second. You can shoot in TV quality 30 frames per second. There's a lot of options here. And what I do love is this. Now let me take this off so I can show you something real quick. This camera has built into it some pro features that I love about it. First, look at this. It has two inputs. You have an input here for your microphone, input here for your microphone. It does also have a cold shoe or a something to hold your microphone or hold some type of light on top of it. It has built into it posts. So if you need to put additional like hard drives or additional encoders or wireless mic packs, you can put it right on here. And it even has two slots for SD cards. So you can actually have this where you can have 6 hours, 12 hours of recording right on this camera, or you can have these memory cards work in synchronization where once one memory card is full, it automatically start recording to the other one. Another thing I like about it too is you can make those two cards do backups of each other. So you'll never have, if you're doing something where you're doing like a professional event and you have to make sure you have that recording, you can set this camera up to record to both SD cards. So you can give one to the client, you keep one for yourself. A lot of cool features on here. It has the 3 rings here for focus, iris, zoom built into it. You have controls up top, and it even has a touch screen that comes out right here. You can do a touch screen to control all different things that you need to control in this camera. So this is a camera I definitely recommend. In actuality, this is a camera that we're using right now to actually do this recording. So if you guys always actually say, I have emails that come in saying, hey, what kind of camera you guys using? I want to know what you're using. This is the camera we're using right here for this particular, it's a great camera for studio, great camera if you're doing stuff out and about. All right, guys, you want more information about this camera? Feel free to give us a call, 888-801-1563. That's 888-801-1563. Or you can text us, 404-400-3977, and we can get you information on this camera. Also, you can go to our website, type in UX90 Panasonic. You'll be able to see this camera, all the different features, and it's at a great price point. So if you want something that you need, you're trying to build out a multiple camera situation and you want something that's professional, you want to put it on tripods, this is the camera I'm recommending. It has a great lens, great quality, a lot of cool features. All right, guys, again, I'm Wade with the Streaming Center. You want more information? 888-801-1563 or visit our website, thestreamingcenter.com, and we'll get this right out to you. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Look forward to talking to you later.